Okay, guys, it's your girl Be Nice T coming at you again in the evening. This will be my evening vlog. Look at that. It looks like chicken katsu with the sauce on it. Rice with furikake nori. This is my dinner. And look at this. Poke nachos. Doesn't it look scrumptious? So I'm about to eat this for dinner. I just came back from the Fiji concert here at the Silverton, and it was good. I haven't heard Fiji live since the pandemic or for a while, and he still got it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna dig in here a little bit so I can let you guys know what it tastes like. But it looks like I should have used a knife or something because it's gonna break my fork. Let's move on to the nachos. Let me try one of these. Nacho. Sorry. Poke nacho. Guys, it's so good. I can eat the poke alone without the chip, but it tastes good with the chip. So let me let you guys watch me eat it. I hope you guys can see me. Here goes the chip and the poke. Down the hatch it goes. So good. The poke is so tender. And the sauce they put on it is great. And the chips, I want to say they're wonton wrapper skins. Really good. I'm trying to get a piece of this katsu. I'm just gonna pick it up and bite it. Oh, I got a piece right here, guys. So it's chicken katsu with that sauce, furikake on it, and then the rice and the furikake. It's delicious. Do I recommend it? I do. I'll let you guys know where it's from, because I think it was Fiji's food, but we took it. Okay, Jesus says share. Sharing is caring. Everybody have a good evening. Your girl Be Nice T from Channel 54. I'm out.